Hello educators. Welcome to EduGyaan. In this video we will talk about how we can take live classes on YouTube using OBS Studio. Let's get started. Open YouTube and make sure you are logged in using the same account from which you want to start live lectures. Now, click on the Create button available just before the notification icon on the right-hand top corner and select Go Live option. A new window will open. Let the page to load completely. It might take few seconds. If you have scheduled lectures earlier, then it will appear under the Manage section. On the left side, you'll find Stream option. Click on that to open the streaming window. Now, under the Stream Settings option you will find the Stream key. Copy the Stream key and open OBS Studio. Click on the Settings in the OBS Studio Controls section and select Stream option. Select YouTube RTMPS option in the Service section and paste the new Stream key in the Stream key section. Click on the Apply and OK button. Now to establish the connection between OBS and YouTube, click on the Start Stream Streaming button. You will see green colored icon on the OBS. It shows OBS is successfully connected with your YouTube account. Now, open YouTube and click on Go Live option to start the streaming. Sometimes YouTube might take some time to connect it properly with OBS. Wait till the Go Live button gets enabled. You can see that the Go Live button is enabled now. Before going live, make sure that the video title and other details are correct. If you want to edit the details, then click on the Edit button. Once you click on the Edit button, a new pop-up will appear. Make the changes as per your requirements and click on the Save button. Make sure to add the tags related with your video content. This will help you to get more audience to the video. Once you are done with all the video details, you can click on the Go Live button to start the live video streaming. It might take some time to start the video. Once the video is live, you'll get the message showing you're live now. You can use the chat option to interact with your connected audiences in the video. Also, you can use the share button to find the link of the video. Share this link in the groups and social media platforms so that students can directly join the lecture using the link. Once you are done with the lecture, click on the End Stream option to stop the lecture. Also, remember to stop the streaming from the OBS Studio. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more informative videos. See you soon in our next video. Till then, bye and happy teaching.